Hi, today we are going to see about protocol architecture. Protocol means set of rules governing exchange of information in a easy, reliable and secure way. That is, the most common protocols are used to transmit and receive data over the network. We need to understand how network is logically organized or designed. The most popular model used to establish open communication between two systems is open system interface model. So the task of communication is broken up into modules, and for example file transfer could be used three modules: file transfer application, communication service module and network access module. But in OSI model we have 7 layers, out of which the main layers are application layer, communication layer and the network layer. Now we are going to see about the simplified file transfer architecture. From one system to another system, the data is transferred with the help of file transfer application. Okay, here the files and the file transfer commands are given, and second one is communication service module. Here the communication data are sent and received, and then the network access module, which plays a major role for communication purpose. The three main layers for protocol are network access layer, transport layer and application layer. In OSI model there are basically 7 layers available. They are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and application layer. Out of these 7 layers, these 3 layers plays a major role. Now we are going to see about the network layer. So network layer exchange of data has become main things, and here the exchange of data between the computer and the network is done. It is concerned with routing, switching and controlling the flow of information between the workstation. In this layer the informations are sent from one system to another system with the help of the address of the destination, and it may invoke levels of service. It is dependent on type of network used, such as LAN, packet switching and etc. It also breaks down the transport layer datagrams into smaller datagram. Next layer is transport layer. This layer till the session layer file is in its own form. The transport layer breaks it down into data frames, provides error checking at network segment level and prevents a fast host from overrunning a slower one. The transport layer isolates the upper layer from network hardware. It is independent of the network being used and independent of the application. And the next layer is the application layer, which is the topmost layer of the network that is responsible for sending application request by the user to the lower levels. The typical application include file transfer, email, remote login, data entry, etc. It support for different user applications. The assessment method, we can use what is protocol architecture, explain the layers of the protocols likewise. Thank you.